It is on. This is Aditya coming to you live from the WHBR studio. Today is Friday, November 13, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 35 degrees. We're expecting a high of 35 and a low of 24, with partly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Peyton.
Praise. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost last night against the New Jersey Devils by a score of 3-2. And the Bulls will play the Charlotte Hornets tonight at 7. There's only one club meeting today. The Green Thumb Club Group B will meet at 11:20 in room 112. Tonight is movie night at Hoover. Showing in the upper theater is Inside Out. And in the lower theater, Free Birds. Doors open at 6 p.m. and the ticket price is $2. You must have an adult bring you to sign you in. Hoover's annual food drive to benefit District 54's food pantry will start on Monday and end next Friday. Please bring in canned goods for this worthy cause. You will receive a Hoover hand to feather the turkey when you bring in your items. Now please watch this video from the First Lego League about a very important issue about recycling paper.
Action.
We are from the 5th grade First Lego League team, and we are the Alpha Hogs! The challenge we have been presented for this year's competition is called Trash Trek.
Our task has been to think and research ways of how to eliminate or reduce types of trash.
We noticed that there's a lot of paper being wasted here at school, so we thought that we could shred this paper. We plan to give the paper shreds to local businesses.
These selected businesses can use the shredded pieces of paper for packing material.
They could use it when they need to pack items that are fragile.
So we would like to ask you a favor.
First, please do not put anything but paper in blue recycling bins in your classrooms.
Next, when you put the paper in the blue bins, please do not crumple the paper
Like this!
It should look like this.
We thank you for your help and consideration, and thank you for helping our school. Salute!
Wow, that sounds like a great idea. Let's help them out by recycling our paper. Now a message from Mr. Smelger.
Thank you, Aditya. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Friday. We are going to start by pulling some Herbie high fives. This is the intermediate egg, and it is full. All right. We've got Katie in 214. Sebastian in 214. Mrs. Kippenhand's room is low enough the egg. We better mix these up really good. We've got Jessica in 205 and Brandon in 205. We've got an extra large one here. This is Emily in 211. Ryohi in 213. Athenas in 214. Look at that, another Kippenhand. We've got Madison in 213. Let's dig all the way to the top. We'll do two more. We've got Ariana in 204 and looks like Brian in 204. All right, and to the first floor. Primary egg, we've got, looks like, wow. Looks like maybe Kashav in 101. Declan in 115. Kyle in 205. It's not quite the right egg, but that'll work. Alexi in 115. Leo in 115. This is Rizmani's room's filling the egg up. We've got Miley in 117. We'll do 2 more. Let's see. We've got Mark in 121. That's actually the Herbie Hooray. And the last one. Who's it going to be? Let's see. We've got Aiden in 114. Remember to come down to the main office after announcements. Everybody, we'll see some of you tonight actually at movie night. Everybody have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelcher. Here's today's interesting fact. Do you know how a sundial works? A sundial is a tool that uses the position of the sun to measure time. It involves a shadow cast across a marked surface. The sun casts a shadow from a sharp straight edge called a stile onto a marked surface with lines that show the hours of a day. As the sun moves across the sky, the shadow of the stile aligns with different hour lines to tell the time of the day. That's all for today. This week's free broadcast was brought to you by the Keep It Cool Bananas production team. Have a fun-filled Friday.